Hello everyone, welcome back to another Fabulous Friday idea. I recently got the Uniquely Creative Merry and Bright card kit. It's Christmas cards and I don't need Christmas cards. I'm kind of done with Christmas cards. So what I have done is I'm going to show you how you can use this for other holidays. Well, just in general, occasion. In the kit, you get these creative cuts that go with the paper. You also get this Merry and Bright cut apart sentiments, and they say Merry Christmas, 'tis the season. It says my dear friend on there. I can use that, but I won't be using that. All right. Then you get this collection, 6x6 collection pack, which is absolutely gorgeous. And I think I hid the paper that shows all the different patterns. Let me see here if I did. No, those are the cut aparts. Yep, there it is. I hid it behind. I pull out the cut aparts. But these are the patterns that you get in there. Now, this is single-sided paper, but you get 32 of them. So it's 2 of each of the 16 designs. I'm going to be using this paper and one of the cut aparts today. I'm going to put this back in here so I can see what it looks like. I knew I would never get to this by Christmas time, so I decided to try it today. But this is the cut apart that I used, and I used, let's see, I used this flower, and this flower, and I've already fussy cut them. And you also get some red gems. I'm not using the red gems because my card's blue. You get your cards and envelopes, and you get 10 cards and envelopes. These are square cards, so I'll be cutting them down or using them for other things because square cards cost more in the US. You get some pretty sheer ribbon. It's white. I might be using that. I thought it was different. But then you get a card making kit that tells you how to make these cards. And so for today's card, I have my pieces that I've cut apart. I have my card base. And then I chose that one piece, and I'm using the Pink Fresh Studios nested arches. It goes with the set I have, and I cut out an arch. And I'm going to put this on here like so. And then my flowers, I'm going to put around it. Excuse me. So let me get this going. And I'm looking for my, there it is. I couldn't find my, all right. So this piece is going to go on here, but I want to see if this ribbon will work. It's sheer, so I don't know if it's going to show up. No, it's not. Let me see if I can find a different ribbon. Okay, I'm going to pull in some of my white and silver edged ribbon. That ribbon is from Stampin' Up. You know, I'm wondering, hang on a minute. Okay, when I put this on my card, it was lost. It was just too much white. So I used the next size up and I cut out a piece of Lost Lagoon. Now the blue one here is off just a little, but it matches the flowers, so I think it will be okay. So I'm going to attach this to here. And I forgot to grab some gems because I know I'm going to want some gems on here. All right, now I can add my ribbon. So I'm going to cut my ribbon, use my double-sided tape. I won't be using the red gems. They don't match. All right. I wanted to show you how you can use you know, Christmas paper for other things. Whoops, I almost put that on my, oh, and I had one cut already. Darn, darn, darn. Oh, well. There's that. All right, let me get another piece on top. I'll just put that one that I cut in with the ribbon, and then when I need it again, I have it. All right, so I'm gonna add some tape to this. I used it for little tiny pieces, and it's not acting very well. All right, let me put this on now, like so. All right, now let me see how to do my flowers. I want the white in the middle. I think I'm going to put the big one, and I'm going to go like this. So I'm going to put the white one flat, and I'll pop up the other two. I am going to watch how I put it down. I'll get my dimensionals out. I may have to cut some. I did cut some before, but I didn't cut enough. So let me cut. All right, there we go. That one came off. I'm going to go like that. I brought my dimensionals. All right. Let me take this off. All right. So this one I'm going to put here. And this one I'm going to put here. And now I can put something in the middle of this. And I was going to use a bow, but I don't think it needs a bow. Let me find some gems. Okay, I have some of these that are the Festive Pearls, long been retired, but I love these. I've asked and asked, but nobody's come forward with any of them. I really wish I could find some more. So I'm going to add some to that. And then let's go down here and put a couple down here. And I think it needs a sentiment, so give me a minute. Okay, I went looking in my stash and I found this hello. So I'm going to stamp that on there. I know I have a little tiny die cut hello. There, perfect. But I couldn't find it because that would have been perfect. All right, there's today's idea. And I shopped my stash and found a stamp that I could use that's close to the images on the front. Make sure you click that link below to subscribe to my channel. Bye.